Hi, I'm Anthony Redmond, and today I'll be presenting about radon. Some background information about radon. Exposure to radon and its decay products is probably the biggest environmental health threats today humans. Um, Radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer in North America and is the leading cause of lung cancer for individuals who have never smoked before in their life. The occurrence of radon 222 in homes has been known since the 1950s. Radon received heightened attention in the United States in 1984 when a construction engineer named Stanley Watrous um, had uh, some of it attached to his clothes. The magnitude of the elevated radon 222 concentrations received worldwide attention, and a new environmental threat was discovered. Um, yeah. So, history and etymology. So, um, um, the first guy here is Ernest Rutherford, and that's this guy right here. And Robert B. Owens is right here. Um, these two detected a radioactive gas being released by uh, uranium or thorium, and later, two other guys named Pierre and Marie Curie detected a radioactive gas emitting from radium. In the year 1900, Friedrich Ernst Dorn at Hall from Germany found that a gas was accumulating inside apules, which is like a small vial, and it had radium in it. They observed the element, uh, and radium was longer-lived isotope radon 222, which has a half-life of about 3.8 days, and was the same isotope which the Curies had observed. Um, Rutherford detected a radon 220 with a half-life of about 56 seconds in 1900. Um, he later figured out that you can condense it into a liquid. And then William Ramsay, this guy right here, collected enough radon to determine its properties, and he realized that it was one of the heaviest gases known. Um, some characteristics of radon. Radon is the 86th element. Um, radon is like colorless at a standard temperature, and is the most dense gas known in the last slide. Radon is all around us. It's in the soil, rocks, and ground, and even water. Um, Radon is just decayed uranium. Um, because radon is a gas and chemically unreactive, it allows it to move easily through almost all materials. So when it's in the soil, it can get out pretty easily. That's why it has a problem within houses, because it can find its way through cracks and stuff, and it usually sits in basements of houses. um, okay, so this is what people use to detect radon within their basement. So there's this thing called it has two main parts, obviously this part and this part. Now let's go into more detail. This is a sealed tube or chamber filled with gas, and this is the information display. Radiation enters the tube, and when it collides with the gas, it pushes electrons away from the gas atoms and creates an ion pair. If the loudspeaker's on, so right here, and it's clicking, um, then the ion pair is created and you have radon within your house. Alright, that's enough for my presentation. Thank you very much for listening, and goodbye.